everyone, welcome to Work with Technology YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Sanket and in this video we discuss about how to download Sublime Text in Windows 10. So let's start it. Step number 1, open your favorite browser and simply type Sublime Text just like this. Now here you click on first link and you able to see here download button. Now click on it and here uh, version, so we are interested in Windows, so click on it and you can see here Sublime Text build.exe file are downloading. Start. It takes some time according your net speed, so just wait. Okay, file are download successfully. Now open it. I minimize this window and here setup for Sublime Text, you simply click on next. Now check this box, add to explore context menu. Again you click on next. Here a Sublime Text ready to install. Click on install and here click on finish. Now click on your start button and you able to see here Sublime Text. So I just drop to my desktop screen. Now double tap and open it and you can see here Sublime Text editor are open and it is a best editor for HTML coding. I hope so you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates and thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you in next video.